What's up everybody, it's your boy Jordan Stamina. If you guys are into sneakers and traveling, then this is definitely the sneaker channel for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. We are almost at 5K subscribers and to many more, so if you guys can hit that subscribe button, that'd be much appreciated. Today we have a sneaker that a lot of people were on the fence about, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in hand. You guys can determine if you're going to sell this sneaker now or you're going to hold them. Alright, let's get into it. Boom! Check it out. You guys see that red Jumpman right there with the flight font and the black box. You do see that cement splatter. Check it out, guys. We do have a size 5.5Y. This, I think, is going to be a good size for resale. So if you guys are into resale, this is a sneaker that you want to consider investing in. Boom! We have the Jordan 4 Red Thunders here in a grade school pair. Again, in the size 5.5Y. This sneaker retails for $165 Canadian. Check that out. Boom. Look at that. So as you can see, this sneaker here, I'm going to say this off the bat, the quality control on this shoe was not the greatest. I feel like they really rushed these pairs, honestly. I know a lot of factory defects happen on a lot of stores. It is what it is. What do you really expect when the sneaker starts getting mass produced? So this right here was a general release. And having this in hand, honestly, I feel like this is actually going to be a sneaker that people are going to sleep on. A lot of people had mixed reviews on this sneaker. I mean, first of all, the material here is nubuck. And the thing about nubuck is it does attract a lot of dust and dirt, and in my opinion it doesn't hold up the best because it is a red and black Jordan 4. I feel like the sneaker is going to do somewhat well. Let's just get into the materials a little bit so that way you guys can see what this overall shoe has to offer, and we're going to get into resale a little bit later on in the video. As you can see on the upper, it is consists of a black nubuck, goes all the way from the toe to the mudguard all the way around. On the heel you got the white Jumpman, and I'm going to show you guys the second pair. Boom, again, so you know there's no Nike Air or anything like that. It's just the white Jumpman. My opinion though, I think it's really cool that they did the white because it does pop a little bit. How they put the red Jumpman, maybe it would be a little bit too much red. Look at that. As you can see on the cage, you do see that it has that black cage and then it has the red under it. And you see over here you have the hits of red. And boom, another hit of red right there. You can see on the midsole, it's got that consistent red again. And of course on the outsole, you have that Jumpman in white. And then the hit of red again with the black outsole. Moving on to insole, you can see you got that white Jumpman with the black insole. And of course, the sneaker only comes with one pair of laces. It's very rare for a Jordan 4 to come with extra laces, but you see there, they come with the black. I feel like a lot of people would put red laces in these if it did come with red laces, but unfortunately they don't. I'm not sure if the men's pair does, so let me know in the comments down below if they do. But as you can see there, this is still a very nice looking shoe. You can see inside the tongue, you do see that red hit again, and then you got the Jordan tag. And last but not least, you have that tongue, white Jumpman, and it says flight with the black tongue. So a lot of you are probably wondering, should you hold this or should you sell this now? In my biggest opinion, let's look at it this way. This sneaker alone was reselling pretty well over retail. Anytime a sneaker sells over retail before the release date and after the release date, that's how you know the sneaker should be a good investment. Considering that the shoe does retail for $165, let's hop on StockX right now and see what the size 5.5Y is doing, which by the way is an equivalent size to the 7 women's. So far right now for a size 5.5, it's going for $313 Canadian. Besides the size 7Y, the 5.5Y is doing amazingly good. Right now it's competing from $320 to $313, and I honestly think that, you know what? This shoe is going to be a great investment. Now, I feel like if you do want to buy some pairs right now, I feel like if you can get them for a great price, I feel like right now would be the time to pull the trigger because I feel like these eventually will go up. I mean, it's a black and red shoe and it is very wearable and it's a nice sneaker overall. And honestly, this is a good his and her sneaker also. I mean, it's really easy to wear and I mean, it's a black Jordan 4. We all know that the black cats did go up in price phenomenally. Like they rose up in price because there's a lot of black on this. I feel like people are not going to want to pay that pretty penny for the black cats, so I feel like this would be a great alternative. Even though it does have red, it's still such a nice shoe. So the answer to your questions is I definitely think that this is going to be a major hold. I feel like this shoe is going to do well in the future. I can definitely see this shoe going up to $400 in the summer, if not past that. If you want to make a good profit on these, I definitely recommend you to hold. Wait, before you guys even think about clicking off, you guys need to know that we are giving away a pair of Jordan 6 UNCs early. Boom, check it out, it's right there. All the information is in the link in bio. It takes 2 seconds to enter and you guys could potentially just get a free pair of Jordan 6s. You can either sell them or you can keep them or size swap them. It's up to you. But guys, go ahead and enter that giveaway because it's going to be so much fun. And once we get to 5K, I might be doing a little giveaway myself as well. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and my socials and Instagram at Jordan Stamina. All my socials are the same, so you are able to contact me. If you guys have any questions, then please feel free to hit me up. I will be answering as many messages as I possibly can. Hit that subscribe button and let's get it. Peace.